There are four sets of personal pronouns in English: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Let's start by looking at the subject and object pronouns. You can see the forms here in the table. We can see that the pronouns are divided into three different persons. First person pronouns refer to the person speaking. The word I, first person singular, is not associated with a specific person at all times. It's used to refer to whoever it happens to be coming out of the mouth of at the time. So if Bill, Jane, and Susan are having a conversation, then every time Bill uses the word I, then I refers to Bill. Every time Jane uses the word I, then I refers to Jane. And every time Susan uses the word I, then I refers to Susan. Second person pronouns refer to the person spoken to. You can mean a different person depending on who I'm addressing. If I'm talking to Jane, then you means Jane. If I'm talking to Susan, then you means Susan, and so on. And third person pronouns refer to someone or something who isn't directly a part of the conversation. So words like he, she, it, or they. The other two sets of personal pronouns, which you can see in this table, are the possessive pronouns and the reflexive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used when you want to talk about something that is possessed, but you only make reference to the owner and not the actual thing that is owned. For example, a person could point to some items and say, that one is mine and that one is yours. Mine and yours in a sentence like that function as possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object of the clause is the same as the subject of the clause. Now, that explanation might sound a little complicated, but all it really means is sentences like, you hit yourself, or she saw herself in the mirror. When you hit yourself, you can't say, I hit me. You have to use a reflexive pronoun and say, I hit myself.